Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 9th class maths, surface areas and volumes. In that 10.3 exercise, already I have done 6 sums. Now 7th one, the curved surface area of a cone. The problem is like this. The curved surface area of a cone. It goes on like this. Let me read this, children. The curved surface area of a cone is 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters, and the area of its base is 254 4 by 7 square centimeters. Find its volume. So the question, what is that they have given? They have given CSA of cone. CSA of cone is given how much? 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters. So let us first make it in improper fraction. 1159 into 7. 9 7s are 63. 35 5 41 41. 7 1s are 7 4 11. 7 1s are 7 1 8. 8 1 1 3. For this you have to add 5. So 8 1 1 8. So you are getting its value as 8118 by 7 square centimeters is CSA. And area of base. Area of base is given as 254 4 by 7 square centimeters. So let us find out that also. 254 into 7. So 7 4s are 28, 35 to 37, 7 2s are 14 3 17. For this what you have to add? 4. So 12 8 7 1. You will be getting 1782 by 7 square centimeters. Now what is that they are asking to find out? Find volume. What is volume? Volume of the cone formula 1/3 pi r square h is the formula. Now in this you can find out r with base, but height we don't know. So actually CSA of cone means its formula is pi rl. So with the help of this you can find out L. With the help of this area of the base, formula is pi r square. So pi r square is given. So with the help of this you can find out what is radius. With the help of this you can find out what is L. And then by using R and L values you have to find out H. Then only we can do it. So first we have to take this, children, because in this formula R is there. Here this R you have to substitute, means you need R. So you have to find out here. So pi r square is equal to 1782 by 7. What is pi? 22 by 7 into r square is 1782 by 7. So we need r square. So what is r square? R square is equal to 1782 by 7 into this 22 by 7. When it goes here, it's reciprocal 7 by 22. That's all. Okay. Now 7 and 7 will get cancelled. See children, I think it goes by 11. See, 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. You know the divisibility property of 11. That is alternate numbers. If you add, if the sum, if you find out the difference of those sums, either you have to get 0 or multiples of 11 or 11, then we can say that this number is you can cancel it by 11. So here 9 and 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, so I can cancel it by 11. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11. 6 I will be getting 11 6 are 66 to 11 2s are. Now 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. R square is equal to 81. So what is R? Root of 81, that is 9 centimeters. Radius, we have got 9 centimeters. After getting radius, let us go for this. Pi r L is equal to 8118 by 7. So 22 by 7 into radius 9 into L is equal to 8118 by 7. So what is L? Slant height L, that is 8118 by 7 into 7 by 22 into 9 becomes 1 by 9, reciprocals. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Again this also will be cancelled by 11. 11 twos are 11 sevens are 77, 4, 11 threes are 33. 33 means 8 you will be getting. 11 eights are. Then 9, with 9 you can cancel. 9 eights are 72, 1 9 twos are 18. Then 2, here you will get 82 means 41 you will be getting. 41 centimeters is L value. So now we want H. See, in a cone, let me draw the cone like this. This is H, this is R. So this is L. So L is equal to, what you can say, L is equal to H square plus R square. So we want H. H is equal to L square minus R square, root of. That is root of 41 square minus 9 square. So let us see this. So 41 square minus 9 square, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So h is equal to root of a plus b, 41 plus 9 into 41 minus 9. Easy way, children, this is. 41 plus 9 is root of 50 into 41 minus 9. How much are you getting? This is 41 minus 9 is 32. Okay, so let us go for prime factorizations of this. 50 means, this is children, 2 twos are, 2 fives are, 5 fives are. So you will be getting 2 into 5 into 5. And we know pretty well 32 is 2 to the power of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here what you can see, these two as one group, these two as one group, these two as one group, these two as one group we can take. So that means instead of 2 fives, we take 1 5 out. Instead of these 2 twos, 1 2 out. Instead of these 2 twos, 1 2. And instead of these 2 twos, 1 2. So how much you are getting? 5 twos are 10 and for 40. H is 40 centimeters. So you want now volume. Volume is 1/3 pi r square h. So that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r. How much we have got here, children? R is nothing but we have got here, no? Where is r? R is 9. So 9 into h 40. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. That's all. We can't do it. Now we have to multiply all. So now 3 nines are 27. 27 into 40. 0, 4 sevens are 28. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 10. 1 0, 8 0 you are getting. So I have multiplied 3 nines are 27 and 40. Now I have to multiply 1 0, 8 0 with 22. This is 22. 0, 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2, 0, 2 8 are 16, 2 1 are 2. So 0, 6, 7, 3, 2. 2, 3, 7, 6. 2, 3, 7, 6, 0 by 7 I am getting. So let us divide 2, 3, 7, 6, 0 divided by 7 if you do. 7 threes are 21. 2, 7. 7 threes are 21, 6 and 6, 7 8 are 7 9 are 63, 3 0. Then 7 4s are 28, 2. So what am I getting? 3 3 9 4 3. I'll do it here, children. You may not see this. This is 3 3 9 4 2 by 7 cubic centimeters. This is the answer, children. This is the answer for this problem. So let us once again explain. Let me explain you. They have given curved surface of area of a cone is 1159 5 by 7 square centimeters. Curved surface area means pi RL is. I have converted this improper mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 8118 by 7, and area of base they have given. This also in mixed fraction. Base area is a circle, no? Pi r square is equal to, when I convert it into improper fraction, 1782 by 7 I got. And volume they are asking. Volume formula is 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi r square h means, children, here of course r pi r square means this value is there. Of course we can take, but where is height? Height we have not got. So we need to find out height. Height formula is this, root of L square minus H square. So we need L, we need R. So we will be getting R with this and L with this. So I have taken pi r square value. So 22 by 7 r square is this. So r square is what? Reciprocal. 1782 by 7 into reciprocal of this. So on calculation I got r square 81. R square is 81 means R is root of 81, that is 9. Now by taking R value as 9, substituting in pi RL, I have continued my calculation. 22 by 7 into 9 into L is 8118 by 7. So what is L? 8118 by 7 into reciprocal. 7 by 22 into 1 by 9. 9 becomes 1 by 9. So on calculation, I have got L value as 41. So h is equal to root of L square minus R square. 41 square minus 9 square. See, this is in the form of a square minus b square. That is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So that I have done a plus b. This is 50 and this is 32. 50, when I take prime factors, 2 into 5 into 5. And prime factors of 32, of course, 5 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now here, under the root, if these numbers are there, you can take a pairs as a pair. If you get all the numbers as pairs, then one number you can take it out from each pair. So here 2 5s means 1 5, 2 2s means 1 2, again 2 2s means 1 2, again 2 2s means 1 2. So total I have got height as 40 centimeters. So volume formula 1/3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 9 into 9, 2 times 9, because radius I got 9. 9 into 9 into 40. So this I have got after multiplication. Here it is there, children. Earlier ones I have rubbed, but you can see it in the video. You can get all these calculations which I have done it there. I need space, so I have rubbed it and I wrote this one. So I have got 23760. This is the calculation by 7. So this I need to convert it into mixed fraction, because all the problems are in the problem every number is given in mixed fraction. So let us convert this also in mixed fraction. So I got 3394. 2 by 7 is the answer. So 2 by 7 cubic centimeters. Volume is measured in cubic centimeters. Units are very important, children. No, if you don't write units, you will get less marks. So please always remember that units are very important. Please note it down. Now the next question, children, 8th one. A tent is cylindrical to a height of 4.8 meters and conical above it. That means what, children? A tent is cylindrical to a height of 4.8. So this is cylindrical, its height is 4.8 meters. This height is 4.8, and upon it a cone is there. Conical above it. The radius of the base is 4.5 meters. This radius is 4.5 meters. And total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Total height means from here to here. This is 10.8 meters. Find the canvas required for the tent in square meters. How much canvas is required? So, what is given to us? They have given the shape of the tent. The shape of the tent is cylindrical. Upon the cylindrical, conical shape. So, you need to find out what is the question they have given. Find the canvas required. So, how will you find out canvas required? Canvas required is nothing but curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. This is the formula, children. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So in this I can take pi R as common. So what am I getting? L plus R is out 2H. So this you have to substitute. Now radius is given as 4.5 of course, but L slant height you don't have it. So in this, what is height of the cone? Height of the cone H. Height of the cone H is equal to, see children, this one is the height of the cone. This is the radius. Of course, radius both of them are having same, that is 4.5 centimeters. And you want height. How will you find out? From total length, total height 10.8. If you subtract 4.8, that is you are getting how much? 6 meters. 6 meters is the height. Now first you have to find out what is L, because in the formula you have got L. And how will you find out? L is equal to root of H square plus R square. So let us continue. So L is equal to root of H square. H is how much? 6 square plus R square. R is 4.5 whole square. That means for children, root of 6 square is 36 plus 45 square. Let us see. See children, 45 a double digit number. Earlier also I said for double digit number if you want to find out its square, 5 square you write it 25. After 4, 5, 20. 4 5s are 20. This is the way in which you can directly find out without multiplying so many times. Only it is possible with 15, 60, 15 and 25, 35, 45 like that. In that double digit numbers with the units plus 5 means what you can do? 5 square you can write as a 25. After this tens digit, what is the next number you think? And you multiply that. 4, after 4 I have got 5. 4 5 are 20. 20, 25 I have got. And of course I need to keep a point here. So 20.25 I am getting. So this is nothing but how much I am getting? 56.25 I will get if I add. Now this can be written as again root of 56.25 means 25 means 5. 7 8 are 56. 7.5 is length. 7.5 meters is length. Now let us see canvas required. Canvas required. Once again I am writing what is the formula that I have got for canvas required? Pi R into L plus 2H. So pi is, did they ask anything? No, they didn't ask. So 22 by 7 into radius is 4.5 into length is 7.5 plus 2 into height means this height of the cylinder we have to take, that is 4.8. Okay, this is nothing but 22 by 7 into 4.5 into 7.5 plus 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 9.6. So 22 by 7 into 4.5 into 7.5 plus 9.6, 11, 7, 17.1. So simplification is not possible, so you need to multiply it. When you multiply it, 22 into 44.5, that is 4.5 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 1 9. So 0, 9, 0, 9, 9. So 99. These two if I multiply, I got 99. 99, 17.1 into 99. 9, 63, 9 ones are 9, 10, 15. So 9, 3, 5, 1. 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 6, 1. 1, 6. I'm getting 1692.9. So 1692.9 divided by 7. So this if you do, 7 2s are 14, 2 7 4s are 28, 1 7 1s are 7, 7 means 5, 7 8s are 7 8s are 56, 3 you will be getting, 7 4s are 28, 2 7 2s are 14. So 241.842 is that this many square cent, this is in meters now, this many square meters of canvas is required. This is the answer, children. So let me explain you once again. This is a cylinder. It is a tent that they have made. So a tent is made. The tent is the shape of the tent is cylindrical with a cone upon it, conical shape upon it. Now they have given radius as 4.5 centimeters and height of the cylindrical portion as 4.5 meters, children. Height is 4.8 meters and total length 10.8 meters they have given. Now they wanted how much canvas is required for it. Canvas means what? Two shapes are there. So what is CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder you have to take. CSA of cone formula pi RL plus CS of cylinder formula 2 pi RH. In both the cases radius is the same and pi is the same. So I have taken pi r as common. L plus 2h I have got it. Now let me find out the values. See, r is already given to us, but we need L. L means if you know H, you can find out H and R, you can find out L. But is H is given? Yes. How? Total height they have given and height of the cylindrical part they have given. If you subtract, you will be getting H. So after getting H, L, how will you get? Root of H square plus R square. That is what I have done it here. 6 square plus 4.5 whole square. That is 36 plus 20.25. That is 56.25. So its root is 7.5. So canvas required. L we have got, H we know. See, in this formula, R we know, L we have got, H also is given. So those values I have substituted. 22 by 7 into R is 4.5 into L I got 7.5 into 2 into H. H is, this is height of the cylinder because from this formula we have got height. This height is different. Here what height we have got is height of the cone. Here H is height of the cylinder. That is 4.8 they have already given. So on substitution those values and on calculation I have got 241.842 square meters. Calculations are here, children. If you want, you can go through it. So please understand it and do the sum. Now, ninth problem, children. What length of tarpaulin it goes on like this. Let me find out. Let me write this or read this problem for you. It goes on like this. So, what length of tarpaulin 3 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base 6 meters. Assume extra length of the material that will be required for stitching, margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters and use pi as 3.14. This is the problem, children. That means there is a rectangular, a tarpaulin piece is there. Length you don't know, but width they have given us 3 meters. This tarpaulin is converted into a cone. Okay, they made a tent, a conical tent of height 8 meters. This height is 8 meters and radius is 6 centimeters. 6 meters. Radius is 6 meters. So now you have to find out what is the amount of the, what is the length of this. We need to find out length. So to find out length, first we know that area of tarpaulin, for this, what they have done, for this area of tarpaulin, they have taken something length extra that we will discuss about it. This is nothing but CSA of cone. Okay, that means this is nothing but L into B. This is equal to CSA of cone is pi RL. So pi RL, first what is the value we will see. Pi RL. Here base they have a breadth they have already given. Length we have to find out. Pi RL. They said pi should be taken as 3.14 into radius is 6 into height. Length we don't know. Now length we have to find out. So in this slant height, L means not length, L is slant height we have to find out. We don't know. So what is slant height, children? Slant height is root of h square plus r square. That is root of h is 8 square plus r is 6 square. That means root of 64 plus 36. How much are you getting? Root of 100, that is 10 meters. We have got L as 10 meters. So pi RL is equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10. Now this is equal to length into breadth is equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10. That is length into breadth 3. 3 meters they have given. 3.14 into 6 into 10. Now we want length. This is nothing but 3.14 into 6 into 10 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That means, see, 3.14 into 2 means 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 6.28 into 10, that is 6280. So 2 digits means 62.8 you will be getting. 62.8 meters. But extra length taken, what did they say? 20 centimeters. That means 20 by 100 meters. Why? Because all the measures are in meters. So centimeters also should be converted into meters. So 0, 0, 2 ones are 2 fives are That means 0.2 meters. Now, so length required. Now the question is, what is the length of the tarpaulin? Length of the tarpaulin should be, what is the length? We have got it here at 62.8 plus 0.2, because they said this is extra piece is required to make the borders and all. So 0.2 you have to add. So 62.8 plus 0.2. So this is a 10, 3, 6. So this is nothing but 63 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, what is the question? There is a tarpaulin. The tarpaulin length, we don't know, breadth is 3 meters. From this tarpaulin, a conical tent is made. But the question is saying that not only this length, but also something extra is needed to make this cone, that is tent, because borders and all they wanted to stitch. So for that much more length is required. So first, what is this length we will find out. See, this is totally used for cone. So L into B is the area of this rectangle is equal to pi RL is the CSA of the cone. So pi RL formula, if you use, they have asked to find out to use pi as 3.14, so I have taken 3.14 into radius, they have given 6 into slant height. But what is the slant height? We didn't get. So we need to find out slant height. What is the formula for L? Root of h square plus r square. So h is 8. Root of 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, that is root of 100. That means L is 10 meters we have got. So let us see pi RL. Pi RL is 3.14 into 6 into 10. Now this much area, even this rectangle also is having, the tarpaulin is also having. That means L into B is this. That is L into B value, breadth is given as 3 is equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10. So what is L? 3.14 into 6 into 10 by 3. So on simplifying, I got 62.8 meters. But what did they say? Apart from this length, extra length that is taken is 20 centimeters. So this 20 centimeters, convert it into meters. I got 0.2 meters. So this 0.2 meters should be added to this. 63 meters of the tarpaulin is needed to find to make this tent, children. Width should be 3 meters, but length should be 63 meters. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.